Start by cutting the Perma fence panels down to the required lengths. Next, slot the Perma fence panels together using the tongue and groove system. Measure the hinge side of the gate and cut the aluminium flat bar to size. This will allow you to easily install the gate hinges. Next, you need to create a frame for the gate using the top and bottom rail. Measure and cut the rail to size. Slot the bottom rail into position, ensuring the gate is square. File down as required for an easy installation of the fence rails. Mark out the position of the fixings and pre-drill holes to suit. Using rivets or screws, fix the top and bottom rail in place. Mark out the position of the gate hinges and fix into place with screws. Ensure you select appropriate hinges to suit the weight and size of your gate. Now you're ready to install your new Perma gate. Good luck.